Good morning, everyone. I don't do many product reviews simply because there's so many on YouTube. When you go to search for something, there's always tons of options of reviews, I find. However, sometimes it's kind of the odd things that you're looking for to see what people think of a product, and you can never find it. So I'm going to do one about this LED light fixture that I bought. I bought it at Home Depot. We're replacing some light fixtures, ceiling mount light fixtures in bedrooms, and wanted to go with LED, but not with LED bulbs. So this is the integrated, it's got the little LED diodes inside. We've already replaced one light fixture. I'm just going to show you this one really quickly. It's made by Hampton Bay. I think it was $64.99 at Home Depot, and it's dimmable. And you can also, you can get a different model that has different outputs of light. This one is a warm light. You can see here on the scale. I'm not sure what the K stands for, but it's 3000 K. Sometimes I find LEDs too bright, but this one I found pretty good. So it took me about 5 minutes to install. It's pretty slick. What I like about it is that it's all metal and glass and not plastic. So it comes with a glass shade. Try not to break it. And the mount itself is 2 pieces. I'm going to move this glass so I don't break it. So basically it just screws, the housing screws together. There you can see the light emitting diodes. That's what LED stands for, light emitting diodes, with its own little power unit. Your hot wire, your ground wires, everything is there. So basically you just unscrew these 3 knobs. It's kind of hard to do, maybe get it all in the video, but there you have the 2 pieces. That mounts to your ceiling, your existing outlet box with the screw holes there, and then your glass simply sets in there, and the whole thing goes together like this. So that's kind of a simple, quick video. I'll show you what it looks like once it's installed. So there's the finished product, the Hampton Bay LED light fixture. It's a warm light LED with the black trim. It's metal and glass, which I really like. I think it looks sleek on the ceiling. It took about 5 minutes to install once I had the old light fixture removed. I'll show you what the switch is that I used. I can't remember the brand name. I'll look it up and I'll post it in the comments, or sorry, the description of my video. I find that the light won't turn on when the dimmer is at its lowest setting. I think it needs to have some sort of, sense the output of the electricity. If I turn it on, there's nothing. You've got to crank it up. And that's not a fault in the electrical system. That's, I think, just how LEDs work. There it is at its brightest. That's at halfway, and that's at its lowest. I hope you find this review helpful. I really like the light, and I'm about to install another one.